is where we did the foundation stone, sir. Outer prakaram would be the next phase, sir. Right.
No, make it only single phase.
Yes, sir.
Not two phases. Single phase we will complete it.
Yes, sir.
Well, phase 1, phase 2 and not necessary. Make it one phase only.
Yes, sir.
We'll complete model temple.
Yes, sir.
Then I will talk to you afternoon remaining issues.
అప్పుడు ఏమైందంటే సార్ లాస్ట్ టైం తను ఫౌండేషన్ వేసేటప్పుడు ఇంతవరకు డిజైన్ ఉంటుంది సార్. ఆ రోజు తమరు మిగతా కూడా యాక్టివిటీస్ ప్లాన్ చేయడం చెప్పారు సార్. అప్పుడు మనం 150 కూడా శాంక్షన్ ఇచ్చింది సార్. అప్పుడు ఆ గవర్నమెంట్ మారిపోయి కొత్త వచ్చే వాళ్ళు ఇంతవరకు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసేది సార్. ఇవాళ మనం ఇవన్నీ శాంక్షన్ ఇచ్చేసాము సార్. బ్యాలెన్స్ ఫస్ట్ తమరు చూపెడతారు సార్.
అది ఇది ఏంటంటే
సార్
దిస్ విల్ బి యూనిక్ ప్లేస్ ఇన్ ది కంట్రీ ఆఫ్టర్ తిరుమల. అక్కడ తిరుమలలో ఏంటంటే పవిత్రంగా హిల్స్ అవన్నీ 7 కొండలు అవన్నీ. ఇక్కడ కృష్ణా నది పవిత్రమైన ఒడ్డు ప్లస్ ఆ యాంగిల్లో ఈ సిటీ కూడా వస్తుంది. ఈ టెంపుల్ ఈ సిటీకి అడిషనల్ అట్రాక్షన్ కావాలి, సెల్ఫ్ సఫిషియెంట్ కావాలి, డబ్బులు కూడా భక్తులే కాంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసే పరిస్థితి రావాలి, వస్తుంది. వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి టెంపుల్ ఎట్లుందో ఆ నమూనా కింద మనం తయారు చేయాలి. అవన్నీ రాకూడదు అంటే ఎంతవరకు వాస్తు పర్మిట్ చేస్తే అంతవరకు నమూనా కింద తయారు కావాలి. వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి దగ్గరికి పోయినట్టు ఇక్కడ ఫీలింగ్ సేమ్ డైటీ కాబట్టి ఆ ఫీలింగ్ ఉంటుంది.
There are total 8 plus 1 buildings in this now tourist pilgrim amenities, sir. Dhyan Mandiram, Annaprasada building with 1000 capacity, sir. Then help desk and Kalyan Katta building, sir. Then administrative building, Archaka quarters, staff and rest house.
Even everything,
sir.
Make it proper provisions.
Yes, sir.
Where you are keeping.
Sir.
Ultimately expandable.
Yes.
Today 1000, tomorrow 20,000 people will come. Always Annadana will go on.
Yes. Right.
Like that we have to make it expandable, but you have to take river front into consideration.
Right.
That is very important.
Yes.
River front we should not ignore.
Yes.
Even future, that is the biggest advantage for this temple.
Yes.
You have to keep everything Dhyana Mandir.
Correct.
Every people will come here, meditation, bhajans, sevas, pujas, everything.
Religious programs in the continuous.
Even tomorrow, if necessary, Venkateswara Swami, Amaravati Devatal Rajdhani, I want to take it one rally.
Yes, sir.
Like that.
Right.
One Radham.
Yes, sir.
So that this area should be always vibrant.
Yes.
Venkateswara Swami, Kaliyuga Devudu, Devatal Rajdhani, Amaravati, Kaliyuga Devudu.
Yes.
ఇక్కడ ప్రజల రాజధాని, ప్రజా రాజధాని. లింక్ ఇట్.
Sir, do pilgrim hospitality model.
Model, clean, green,
Yes.
hygienic.
Correct, sir.
Here everything will be green energy.
Right, sir.
So there won't be all these things. Then there will be new energy automatically will come.
Yes, sir.
God has to give next level of energy,
Yes, sir.
spiritual energy.
This is the master plan, sir. So right now this red part is ready, sir. And this 7-story Gopuram is where we are going to do now, sir. This is VIP guest house, sir, with parking, conference room, dining hall. This is Annaprasadam building, sir, with capacity of 1000 at the moment, sir.
Here how many quarters we can create?
Sir, right now we have given 12 Archaka
12 staff quarters, 12
staff,
Archaka
and
Extra
12
quarters of one angle.
Yes.
Can we create 1 or 2 acres of land, 25 acres of land?
Yes, sir.
2 acres, 10, 15, 20 cottages.
Yes, sir.
We will invite people to donate.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
sir.
Donors like that, if
Yes,
necessary.
Yes, sir.
Then ultimately, people has to stay here.
Sir.
They have to feel that experience.
Yes, sir. Near Krishna River, sir, we can plan to
Krishna River side, you can plan it systematically. Then meditation hall that side only.
Yes, sir.
And also 2 acres, how many cottages will come?
Sir, usually we can do around 40 cottages, 40 good size cottages.
Around 50 cottages earmark
Yes.
in the construct.
Right.
Then it will be different
Right.
world.
Yes, sir.
ఎక్కడైతే ఇప్పుడు తమరు ఫౌండేషన్ స్టోన్ చేశారు సార్, దట్ ఈస్ ది ప్లేస్ వేర్ దిస్ 7-story గోపురం will come.
Yeah, yeah. That's right.
She's just trying to create the entrance main gate, sir. Total 4 entries are there for the project, sir.
Yeah.
Dhyan Mandiram, sir. Ground floor will have exhibition and temple exhibits. First floor will have meditation halls and performance galleries.
You have to make it here plantation in a big way,
Yes, sir.
syncing with Amravati.
Thanks, sir.
Then Dhyana Mandir, one. Bhajans is another.
వేద పాఠశాల కూడా ఉంటుంది.
Veda Pathshala, bhajans.
Yes.
Continuous bhajans, pujas,
Spiritual
events,
vibration. Yes.
spiritual, what you call energization,
Yes.
continuously.
Yes.
People should feel. Here,
Spiritual vibrancy.
already people are feeling here different vibrations.
Yes, sir.
They are feeling.
Yes, sir.
That you have to take it proper ecosystem.
Yes.
Right, sir.
That is where I want.
Yes. This is Kalyan Kattal, sir, and help desk and the administrative block, sir.
Yeah. We are introducing Kalyana Katta also. here.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
200 plus
500 capacity Kalyan Katta.
Even future expandable.
Yes, yes.
Make it everything expandable.
Yes. Then this is we creating Prakash Udyanam, sir, for about 3 acres. We'll have a laser show and then we can have possessions and programs.
Yeah, here
Discourses,
only
yes.
discourses, everything will be here.
Yes, about 3 acres. This is
By evening, people should come and spend some time
yes, sir.
continuously,
Yes.
evening times. Like that, we have to create a beautiful lawn.
Yes, sir.
Can we do one thing? Earlier, we used to give there Krishna Harati.
Sir.
Can we introduce nearby this?
అర్థమైంది. Yes.
Opposite side, we are giving Krishna Harati.
Yes, sir.
Why can't I make it every day evening? Krishna Harati will be given here.
Plans.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Sir, would be nice.
Yes.
Then people will
ఓ
come.
సాయంత్రం yes, sir.
So Archaka quarters, sir, and staff quarters, ground plus 2, 12 each. Right now it's provisions, sir.
Yeah.
2 bedroom houses.
Yeah.
This is the Anprasadam building, again expandable to 1 more floor, sir. Right now capacity is 1000 per rotation, sir.
How many people are eating now?
1000, sir. Tables.
ఇప్పుడు మనకి
How many people are eating? As on today.
Right now it's about 600 right now in capacity, sir.
Make it 2000.
Fine, yes, sir.
You do one thing.
Sir,
Make it foundation for many floors.
fine, yes, sir. Right.
Even it will go up to 10,000.
Okay, sir.
Continuously
yes, sir.
increasing the floors.
Right, sir.
Then they will have common kitchen. It will go scaling.
Yes.
Then nobody should have a feeling he is not feeding.
Yes.
Anytime you can come, have meal and then go. Happy.
Yes. Yes.
This is the administrative block, sir. So mainly offices and conference rooms and the staff will be here, sir. Then this is another view for the Prakash Udyan, sir.
Yeah. This beautifully you have to prepare.
Yes.
People every day, anybody is having any stress, they have to come here,
Yes, sir.
take energy, move forward.
ఇది బ్రాడ్ అవుట్ లైన్ సార్. ఇప్పుడు తమరు కూడా సజెషన్ ఇచ్చింది ఇవన్నీ అకౌంట్ ఫాట్
ఒకసారి నాకు
చేసుకుని జనవరి
చూపించండి.
ప్లాన్
Yeah.
సంక్రాంతి టైంలో అందరూ వస్తారు కదా అప్పుడు
Again,
ఫైన్ ట్యూనింగ్
necessary you have to come again.
Yes, sir.
I'll tell you.
Yes, sir.
But you have to complete all these things within 2.5 years.
ఎస్
Not more than that.
గ్యారెంటీ ఎస్